Sometimes we need the sum of cells based on a specific condition. Like in this sheet, we have a payment status of bills. Some bills are paid while the others are unpaid from different cities. What if we want the total amount from all the cities which is paid? Here, we can use the sum function and add individual cells which are paid by clicking on them. This is again a very lengthy procedure if you have thousands of entries. To make things easier, Excel provides us with the SUMIF function through which the total paid amount can be calculated using a single formula. Click on this cell. Let's start our formula with an equal sign. Type SUMIF and select it using the Tab key. Excel prompts us to enter the range. The range refers to the group of cells on which the criteria is to be applied. So let's select this range of cells. Select this cell and press Ctrl Shift and the down arrow key to select this column of the table. Put in a comma. Now we have to enter the criteria. Here we want the sum of all the paid bills, so here the criteria will be paid. It is important that the criteria is always inside double quotes. Open inverted commas and type in paid with close inverted commas. Note that the criteria is not case sensitive. Put in a comma again. Here we have to select the range of amount as this was what we exactly want to be added. Select first cell and press Ctrl Shift down arrow key. Close parenthesis and press Ctrl and Enter. Here we have the total of all the bills which are paid. Similarly, let's calculate the total for unpaid bills as well. Select this cell. Start our formula with an equal sign. Type SUMIF and select it using the Tab key. Select the range, that is the status column. Select this cell and press Ctrl Shift and the down arrow key. Put in a comma. Now the criteria will be unpaid as we want the total of all unpaid bills. Open inverted commas. Type in unpaid. Close inverted commas. Put a comma. For the sum range, let's select the entire amount column as we want to add the bill amounts. Select this cell and press Ctrl Shift and the down arrow key. Close parenthesis and press Ctrl and Enter. Let's calculate the total amount of all the bills in Paris. Select this cell. Start with an equal sign. Type in the SUMIF function. Press the Tab key to select it. Now the range will be the office column as the cities are included in this column. Select the first cell and press Ctrl Shift and the down arrow key. Put a comma. The criteria will be Paris as we want the total bill amount in the city of Paris only. So open inverted commas, type in Paris, close inverted commas, put a comma. The sum range will be the amounts column. Select the cell under amount and press Ctrl Shift down arrow key. Close parenthesis and press Ctrl Enter. And we have the total of all the bills in the city of Paris. I recommend that you fill in the rest of the cells to get a hang of this function. Like the SUMIF function, we also have the Averageif function, which is used to calculate the average based on a condition. Let's find the average bill amount in Paris. Select this cell, start with an equal sign and type Averageif. Press the Tab key to select the function. Range will be the office column, so select the first cell, press Ctrl, Shift and the down arrow key. Put a comma. Criteria will be Paris, so open inverted commas and type in Paris. Close inverted commas and then put a comma. The average range will be the amount column. Select the first cell of the column and press Ctrl, Shift and the down arrow key. Close parenthesis and press Ctrl and Enter. Here we have the average amount of the bills in Paris. Try filling in the cell for average bill amount in Mumbai to get a hang on this function as well. Please refer to the answer sheet in case you have any confusion while using the formulas in rest of the cells. This concludes our tutorial on Sumif and Averageif function.